Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to learn something new but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've tried learning a new skill, but you felt lost, overwhelmed, or even discouraged. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to teach yourself anything, no matter how difficult it seems. Whether it's a new language, coding, music, or even mastering a sport, the secret lies in having the right approach. And the best part? You don't need expensive courses, teachers, or years of formal education. You just need a system that works. So, let's dive in and learn how to become your own best teacher. Step 1. Develop the right mindset. The first and most important thing is your mindset. Most people fail at self-learning not because they lack intelligence, but because they give up too soon. Learning anything new requires patience, persistence, and a belief that you can do it. Here's a golden rule. Progress is more important than perfection. If you aim for perfection too early, you'll never start. Instead, focus on getting better step by step. A great way to stay motivated is to remind yourself, every expert was once a beginner. Struggling is part of the process. The only way to fail is to stop trying. So, train your mind to embrace challenges instead of fearing them. Step 2. Define clear goals. Now that you have the right mindset, you need a clear goal. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to learn? Why do I want to learn it? What will success look like for me? For example, if you want to learn a new language, don't just say, I want to speak Spanish. Instead, set a specific and achievable goal like, I want to hold a basic conversation in Spanish within 3 months. Having a clear target will keep you focused and motivated. Step 3. Find the right learning resources. Once you know your goal, the next step is to find the best learning materials. Luckily, we live in the digital age, where almost anything can be learned for free or at a low cost. Here are some great places to start. YouTube, free tutorials on almost every topic. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer structured lessons. Books and blogs. The internet is full of expert-written guides. Podcasts and audiobooks. Learn while commuting or doing daily tasks. But here's an important tip. Don't get stuck in learning mode. Many people spend too much time researching and never actually start practicing. The key is to learn just enough to start, and then improve as you go. Step 4. Create a study plan. Self-learning requires discipline and consistency. Without a clear plan, it's easy to get distracted or quit. Here's how you can structure your learning. 1. Break it down. Divide your subject into small, manageable parts. 2. Set a schedule. Whether it's 30 minutes a day or a few hours a week, stick to a routine. 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or checklist to stay motivated. Remember, learning isn't about cramming everything in one day, it's about steady improvement over time. Step 5. Learn by doing. Here's the truth. You learn best by actually doing. Reading and watching videos are helpful, but real learning happens when you apply what you've learned. For example, if you're learning a language, start speaking from day 1. If you're learning coding, write real programs instead of just reading theory. If you're learning music, play the instrument instead of just watching tutorials. Action is what turns knowledge into skill. Step 6. Use the Feynman technique. One of the most powerful learning methods is the Feynman technique. It's simple but incredibly effective. 1. Pick a topic you want to learn. 2. Explain it in the simplest way possible, as if you were teaching a child. 3. Identify the gaps in your understanding and go back to study those areas. 4. Repeat until you can explain it perfectly. If you can't explain something in simple terms, it means you don't fully understand it yet. This method forces your brain to truly grasp and remember concepts. Step 7. Stay consistent and overcome plateaus. At some point, you'll hit a learning plateau, a stage where progress feels slow and motivation drops. This is normal. Here's how to push through. Change your approach. Try different learning techniques. Take short breaks. Resting can actually boost your learning. Remind yourself why you started. Reconnect with your original motivation. The key is to keep going, even when progress feels slow. Every little effort adds up over time. Step 8. Teach others. The final and most effective way to master something is to teach it to someone else. When you explain something to others, you reinforce your own understanding. So, find a friend, a family member, or even start a blog or YouTube channel to share what you've learned. Teaching not only helps others but also solidifies your knowledge. Final thoughts. You can do it. Learning is a lifelong journey, and you have the power to teach yourself anything. All you need is the right mindset, a clear goal, the best learning resources, a structured study plan, consistent practice. So, what's the first thing you're going to teach yourself? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on self-improvement and learning. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!